We are here on a 19-degree brisk morning at Buckhorn Lake State Park. We are working on our trail maintenance class, and we come to a park to either rehab and fix trails that are existing. Sometimes we build new trails like we are this week. And when we bring everybody in, they learn new skills to take back to their park so they can work on their trails.
In conjunction with our partners and volunteers from all over Kentucky, we were able to not only add an additional 2 miles of trail at Buckhorn State Park, but we also did a repair on one of their existing trails. The previous bridge had been washed out in the floods of 2022, so we got them a brand new one, as well as doing a reroute that made it a little bit easier to get up and down the mountain.
We take this skill back with us where we learn how to maintain our own trails in the direction of water flow. Anything on a trail, we can take that skill back from here and take it to our park.
Because we want our public, our guests that come to our park, to be able to have a safe environment. At the same time, as according to our mission statement, we are going to build a trail that is sustainable.
It's all about power of partnership and all about that Team Kentucky spirit. So where we are able to come in together and unite on one front to accomplish one goal throughout all of Kentucky.
We get to learn each other's strengths and weaknesses because we pool all of us as Team Kentucky together at different areas.
So we pick different parks every year and we help them with a new project on their trails.
So this new trail system will help impact tourism to the Buckhorn area by giving resort goers, tourists, another place to hike, another place to get out there and challenge yourself, get out in nature. It's very serene and quiet up here.
There are house-sized boulders that you can kind of see, beautiful, large oak trees that are at least 100 years old up here. So hopefully you'll get to come down to Buckhorn Lake State Park. This is your state parks. Come and enjoy them.